I've discovered that there's an Egyptian market here in Istanbul. What is this? Things are cheaper in Egypt and not in the Egyptian market. Where are you from? Iraq. Okay, cool. Nice to meet you. كلام عربي. أهلا وسهلا.
Çay.
Teşekkürler. Aloha from Istanbul. So I've discovered that there's an Egyptian market here in Istanbul, very close to the water. So let's go check this out, see why it's Egyptian. I think it's also known as the spice market. Yalla.
محطة الترامواي إلى Eminönü.
I've been meaning to buy some sweets to try, Turkish delights, baklava. Teşekkürler. What is this?
Specialized. Special with honey, no calorie.
Oh, really? No
Almond.
calorie. Yeah, I don't know about that.
Where are you from?
I'm from the U.S.
First time?
Yes. Yeah, amazing. Very blue. Istanbul.
Istanbul.
Yes, I love it. Are you from here?
Here, yeah.
Yeah, Istanbul. Nice, man. Good city. Oh, sorry. Teşekkürler. What?
Do you speak English?
Yeah, my mouth is full.
Talking.
Come on, man.
Tell me.
I was chewing.
Yes. One question. Where are you from?
You can tell you.
Arnold, Albania.
The U.S.
Yes, but original.
American.
American, really? Your faces are similar to the Spanish people. Costa Rica, Uruguay.
My father's from Argentina.
Argentina, buenas tardes.
Argentina, claro
¿Qué
que
tal?
sí,
Bien.
che. ¿Qué tal? ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien. ¿Quieres venir aquí? Dentro.
¿Tienes baklava?
Solo youtuber. ¿Tienes baklava?
Sí, pequeño.
Vamos.
Same shop.
Chao.
I will keep no problem.
Makarna gelmiş, gel bak. Makarna gelmiş bana, yemeğim gelmiş. Benim makarna benim.
What's that?
Tamamdır.
That looks good. I would eat
Are you
that.
ready? Mi nombre Alberto.
Alberto.
Sí.
Okay, but in Turkey?
Sen Türk?
Wow. What? What's your name?
Albert.
Okay, that's American, then Spanish. How would you say it in Turkey?
Turkey? But I'm from Mrs. Original Albania. I was born in
Oh, you're from
Istanbul.
Albania?
Yes, you know Albania?
Of course.
Yes. You can eat in first time.
Thank you. Are you gonna ask me more questions?
It's very delicious. That one is, for example, that one pistachio, historical baklava, and also that one is special, and also that one is walnuts. Do you want to try walnut?
Sure. Why
Sure.
not?
Sure.
Thank you. Oh my God!
no,
Don't
no,
feed
no,
me.
no.
No, I don't want to try
Okay.
walnut anymore. What is this?
Turkish delight.
What kind?
You know Turkish delight? That one is this caramel, Italian caramel. Inside and outside is this Nescafe. For example, that one is this almond, and outside is this sesame nuts. You know sesame nuts?
Sesame.
Tahin, sesame nuts.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
Turkish
yeah.
name tahin, but this English name is sesame nuts, for example. Inside without sugar, just the honey, Turkish honey. For example, that one is this.
Oh my God! I'm gonna go eat right now.
Try is free, don't fret. It's diabetic shop. And also that one is this pistachio.
Oh, it's actually really good.
Believe me.
It tastes like coffee.
No coffee. That one is the sesame nuts, Turkish tahin, and almond. And also that one is pistachio. I think you love it. No coffee. Believe me, no coffee. E tu, come nombre? What's your name?
Giselle.
Gisselle. Gisselle.
Yes, that's my
What do
name.
you mean?
What?
What do you mean, Gisselle?
That's
What
my
is
name.
This? Yes. Gisselle. Spanish name?
Technically French.
Technically French, yes.
Giselle, but Giselle is pretty common
Gisselle,
in South
Gisselle,
America.
yes.
Americans Giselle, French Giselle,
Gisselle.
whatever.
Gisselle is already.
It's just my name.
Gisselle is French is already. Gisselle.
Okay, cool, man.
And for example, that one is 428 lira for you. Is this 400 lira for 1 kilo? Don't worry, don't
Kilo's a
worry.
lot.
For 1 kilo. But this is we have this small boxes, sorry. We have small boxes. That one is for you is 200 lira. It's
Wow.
put your
Yeah.
inside. Yes, look, it's name on that thing.
What a fancy box.
ليش كله جديد؟
Cool.
You YouTuber or just a vlog?
وهذا 1000.
YouTuber, yeah.
How many vlog?
Small.
Small?
1,300
1,000?
maybe. Hey, what did you want? 1 million?
1 million.
Come on, guys,
1
give
million,
me more.
1 million. After 1 month, 1 million.
I think I will buy some baklava.
Yes.
A little bit though.
A little
for
bit.
me, just for me.
Just for you?
Oh.
How many pieces?
2.
2 pieces? Okay.
Yeah, and a little Turkish delight. There's one more thing I wanted to try actually. Oh no, please! I have to go eat real food. I'm gonna go get a durum. Yeah.
Okay. Which one do you like? Pistachio walnuts?
That's a good fucking question.
لا لا شايفكم في مدري ايش كان.
Pistachio?
Yeah, why not?
Walnut? One pistachio, one walnut?
That's a good idea. Thank
Okay.
you. Make these choices for me. I'm just needing to eat and sleep, dude. Late night.
That one is a 60.
Okay.
Anything else?
No,
Very, very
that's
nice
good.
to
Thank
meet
you so much. Good luck, man.
Your YouTuber's name?
G Ventures.
G Ventris. I don't forget.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. Bye. Whoa. I was just trying to eat some durum and got sucked up. Okay, Egyptian market. It's just one hall. Let's go. By the way, those 2 pieces of baklava he charged me 60. I feel like that's a ripoff. But what do I know? Things are cheaper in Egypt and not in the Egyptian market. G Ventures.
G Ventures.
Yeah. Where are you from? Where are you from? Get up. Okay, cool. Nice to meet you. كل عربي. أهلا وسهلا. شوية.
It's you?
أيوة.
Oh, what's
G Ventures.
G Ventures? G Ventures. Okay.
أنا عندي قناة يوتيوب.
G Ventures.
Okay. فرصة سعيدة. السلامة. شكرا. Cute. Little kids from Iraq. That made me so happy. They're so cute, little family. Say what's up, YouTube. Teşekkürler. You too. I should go get food before I buy everything. Cheese, olives, yes. Duh. That is indeed molded cheese. That's not even blue cheese, hey? Okay, I really need to get food, so let's go do that. Oh.
Hello.
Oh, it's bigger than I thought. I thought it was just one little strip. Shall we continue? Helen. ¿Qué? No entiendo él. ¿Qué tal? ¿Todo bien? Qué bueno.
Siz Trabzon'dan mı geliyorsunuz?
You're just looking, thank you.
Kendini aldı yer ama işte geldin mi?
So colorful in here. But I definitely don't need spices or anything for that matter. Oh no, I have to go shopping. I just remembered that. I have to buy something. Some gifts. Okay, well this is the Egyptian market, guys. Now let's go get some durum. I've been trying to figure out these differences between durum and doner and kebab, and they're so confusing. But I'm pretty sure, and I wrote it down because I might be wrong here. But durum is like a roll in Turkish, so a wrap, you know, for food, of course. And then doner is like the spinning meat, I believe. So shawarma in Egypt. And then, whoa, it's like super crowded here. Durum, doner, and kebab, it's just any kind of meat, I think.
Şap çerezye, şap çerezye, şap çerezye.
No, I don't want to eat anything more except for real food, real meats. Yallah. This place looks good. So 60 for this. Way better than 2 pieces of baklava. That was a rip-off.